Hello everyone, nice to meet you. In today's video, I will explain how to sign up in a simple and easy way so that even Binance beginners can easily follow along. Then, let's get started. If you sign up through the link at the bottom of this video, you can receive up to a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, as well as various bonus rewards, so I recommend signing up through that link. First, I will explain how to create a Binance account. If you access the link at the bottom of the video, you will be redirected to the Binance sign-up page. If you check the left side of the screen, you can see that a 20% Binance fee discount and bonus rewards are applied. To create an account, please enter your email address or mobile number. Check the agreement box below and click the Continue button. Next, select the image that matches the word displayed at the top left. Proceed with email or mobile verification. Then, set your password. The password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and be set to at least 8 characters. Once all steps are completed, the sign-up completion screen will appear. If an inviter code input field appears, please enter BB333. If you enter this code, you can receive a 20% Binance fee discount, and up to the maximum bonus rewards. Once you complete these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Second, I will explain how to complete KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must complete KYC verification without exception. Since KYC verification includes a facial recognition process, we will proceed using a mobile device in this step. First, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. After launching the Binance app, tap the Login button to sign in. When you log in with the account you just created, you will automatically be taken to the KYC verification step. First, select your nationality, and then proceed with identity verification. Among the various types of identification, please choose one ID that you currently have. I will proceed using a passport. To take a photo of your ID, select Take Pictures, and tap the Continue button below. Align the passport information page within the camera frame, and take a clear photo. Once the ID photo is completed, proceed with the facial verification step. Align your face within the screen frame, and follow the instructions by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. After completing these steps, the KYC verification process is finished, and the review is usually completed within 1 hour. Once the review is completed, you can confirm that KYC verification has been completed. Third, I will explain how to set up Google security on Binance. Now, please return to the PC screen. To set up security, click Account in the left menu, and select Security. In this video, we will set up security using the Authenticator app. Click the Manage button next to the Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Proceed with email or mobile verification. Once verification is completed, an Authenticator setup pop-up will appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After launching the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Next, scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. Once scanning is completed, a 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. After checking the 6-digit code, return to the PC screen, and click the Next button. Then, in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code shown in Google Authenticator. Once you complete these steps, the Google security setup will be successfully completed. In today's video, I explained the sign-up process in a simple and easy way, so that even Binance beginners can follow along. If you have any difficulties or questions while signing up, please leave a comment and I will reply. If you enjoyed this video, please press subscribe and like. Thank you for watching until the end.